My name is Tim Wakefield, and I am the chair of the biology department here at John Brown University. As a biology student at John Brown University, you will be preparing for your future. And so we actually work with each one of those students to train them to prepare for all of their entrance exams that they need to take in order to get into those graduate level programs in the health sciences. I think one of the main benefits that we have is God's role in the creation and how we as stewards of God's creation are responsible for understanding it and taking care of it. And of course, biology, the whole field of biology is studying the creation, understanding how it works. So every biology course that a student takes does come with an accompanying lab. One of the unique things that we have here at JBU is the professor-student relationship. Our class size is relatively small, and so that does give the opportunity for professors and students to really know each other well. This is really what the students really want to do. They want to be out in the wild, they want to be out in God's creation, or they want to be looking at God's creations in the lab. And so I really enjoy that experience, and it's exciting to me when they get excited about what it is that they're learning in those hands-on experiences.